mini pizzas.
All right, thank you, John. Yeah, these look really good. You kids like these, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is this something you would eat coming home from school?
We usually have it for a meal.
This is for a big meal,
Yeah.
more than just a snack, right? Okay, Is this your recipe?
I don't know. I guess it's pretty simple. It's not anything fancy. It's kind of the way I roll. But so we have flatbread, and we have, my key to making really good mini pizzas is the fresh mozzarella and this mini flatbread. It gets kind of expensive, so my trick is I buy it at Costco, and I always keep these ingredients on hand. I stick them in the freezer, so I'll buy, they come in an 18-pack, and I'll buy 2 or 3 at a time. And then also with the mozzarella, I stick it in the freezer. But from start to finish, it probably takes 20 minutes, which is great. So my kids all like a little bit of different variety on their mini pizzas. So, and I found too, the more that you include the kids in what they're making, the more apt they'll probably eat it.
That's true.
So we're gonna start out. Do you guys want to add your favorite toppings?
What do you guys like on your pizza?
So we start with
like
the
hamburger?
Who likes hamburger?
You have to put this on.
Yes, you do.
First put this on.
Okay.
So we're gonna put on our pizza sauce.
And
And
want
then
hamburger, hon? Okay.
we top it with our fresh mozzarella. Fresh mozzarella is a little bit, it's got more liquid in it than your regular shredded mozzarella.
Yeah.
And so you just gotta be careful you don't put too much on, otherwise it might get a little bit soggy.
But you think that's the key, huh? Using the
Yes,
fresh?
absolutely. So good.
Okay, you want hamburger? Let's pass that down to him.
And hamburger, May is beef month, so we raise cattle for a living, and we love that beef provides essential nutrients like zinc, iron, and protein.
Here you go, hon.
There you go.
All right. And then mushrooms? You guys like mushrooms?
Yeah, I do.
Who likes the mushrooms?
I'm pretty much the only one.
Only one that'll eat them?
Yeah.
Just kind of spread them out on there. How about onions? Anybody like onions?
I do.
So these two like onions. Coy is your typical hamburger and cheese guy.
Yeah, my kids were the same way. Just keep it plain, right?
Yes.
And then do you sprinkle some stuff on top, Crystal?
Yep, we have just some salt, pepper, and I just put a little bit of garlic powder on top. So we sprinkle that, put it in the oven. Want to make sure that your vegetables are really thinly sliced because it's really not going to cook that long. And I keep the flatbread in the freezer for as long as possible so it doesn't overcook in the oven.
All right. So where will you find these at Costco, the flatbread?
It's with the cheese, kind of with that.
The bakery?
Trying to think. But it's in a kind of a funny spot on an end.
On an end, okay.
So by the books, like in that.
And here's what it looks like, guys. This is the finished one. And how long do you bake it for?
Around 8 to 10 minutes.
At what kind of oven?
400 degrees.
400 degrees. Okay. Who wants to give it a try? Okay, let's cut some apart here.
Take this one.
Okay, here we go. Let me cut this one apart so you guys can taste it. Okay, you guys want a small bite or a big one?
I want a big one.
Big one? Here, I'll give you this for now. There you go. Just give this to little guy. There we go. How is it?
Good.
Do you want
Is it
this,
good?
Coy?
There we go.
Okay,
All
you
right.
better stand up then.
This recipe is on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page. Back to you, John.